Today's tutorial is how to create, read, and extract a zip file in C#. How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to learn how to manage zip files using C# and the IronZip library. We'll learn how to create, read, and extract zip files. So to get started, first you'll need to start a C# console application in Visual Studio. Then you need to install the IronZip library using the NuGet browser tab. I've already done this. You can also do that using the NuGet package manager. Go to the console tools and execute the install package IronZip to integrate it into your project. You can also download the IronZip library from the Iron Software's website with the link provided in the description below. Now, let's jump to the code and get started. So first we'll see create an archive example. We'll begin by using the Iron Archive class to create an empty zip file and then name that output.zip. And what this does is just sets up the groundwork for our zip file, making sure that it's ready to receive content. Next, we add files to our zip using the add archive entry method. We'll add two images, image1.png and image2.png. What's cool about this is that it allows you to include files from different locations and directories. So moving on to extracting files from a zip, we use the extract archive to directory method. And this straightforward method only requires specifying the zip file and the destination folder. So in this snippet right here, we extract the contents of output.zip into a folder named extracted. The output.zip is the same zip file which we created in the previous step. Now, if you have an existing zip file and you want to add more files to it, use the IronZip's from file method. This method not only opens up and reads existing zip files, but also creates a new output archive. Once open, adding files is as simple as using the same add archive entry method we used when creating the zip. In these lines right here, we open an existing zip file, create a new output archive, and add two more images, image3.png and image4.png. We use the same output.zip file and save it as result.zip. Now let's run the project and wait for the processing to complete. Meanwhile, let's check the image files we added to the output.zip and result.zip. Right here, these are the four images that will be added to the zip files. All right, so the output is successfully generated. Let's move to the output folder and see the files. The output.zip file contains the two images that we added. The extracted folder will have the same two images as they were extracted from the output.zip file. And the result.zip file will contain the output.zip as well as the two images that we added. What's nice about this functionality is you can efficiently update and expand your zip archives to suit your project's kind of evolving needs. So basically, IronZip just makes the process of managing archives in your C# projects an absolute breeze. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, give us a little love with a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to try out the IronZip software yourself, there's a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it, go to our website, download, install our trial, and check out how awesome it really is.